Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient. When you bring your vehicle to Vatland Honda's brand new 65,000 square foot energy efficient facility, you'll find comparable pricing, plus a fun and engaging child play area, a deluxe lounge center complete with flat screen TVs and comfortable leather sofas, an internet cafe with free Wi-Fi, and at a certified dealer, you get reliable service performed by highly trained technicians you can trust. Call, click, or come in for more information on our price match guarantee. Vatland Honda is located at 700 US Highway 1 in Vero Beach, Florida.